Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing my brand new iPad. This is the 10th generation in the color blue. I'm upgrading from my iPad 6th generation in the color gold. I got this when it came out back in April 2018. So I've had this for a long 6.5 years. Now the battery is dying really quickly and charging really slowly, and I have no storage. It's just 32 gigabytes. So I thought now it's time to upgrade to get a new one and treat myself. I'll talk a bit more about specs and everything new about this iPad, as well as a bit of comparison to my iPad 6th generation later on in the video, but let's just start off with unboxing it. Alright, so here is the nice lovely box. I have the 6th generation box. Yes, I still kept it after all these years. It's just plain and simple. So this has the nice cool wallpaper on it, but let's just get straight into the actual unboxing of it. So let's flip it over. It's like in this like frosted little sleeve thing. Oh my god, it's so flat and thin. Anyways, let's just peel it off, the satisfying peel. Oh my god, it's so clean. It's so cool. And the color, I love it. Oh my god, this blue is so much prettier in this lighting. Oh my god, that is so cool. And you have the fingerprint scanner at the top. So cool. Oh my god, stereo speakers now. Cause like on my old iPad, I didn't have speakers at the top, I only had them at the bottom. But this one, you can now have them on the bottom and the top. And you have USB-C now. Whoa. That's so cool. You also have the selfie camera on this side, but let's turn it on. Oh my god, it's hello. Oh my god, I'm so surprised it still has battery left. Like, this has been in the box for 2 years. Oh my god, it's so cool. Oh my god. The screen is like so big versus this one. Oh my god, look at that. That's like a whole inch of a bigger screen. Oh my god, it's actually magnetic. Did you see that? That's like, the iPad is like magnetically stuck to each other. I wonder if it will stick. Oh my god, it does. Like, and it's flat. Okay. Australia is where we are. That's where I am. Appearance, yeah, default. Yeah, we have to do a quick start because I need to transfer everything from this iPad over to the new one. So let's hopefully this will work. Yup, okay, cool. Okay, how does this work? I've never actually transferred from an iPad to an iPad. I've only done it with a MacBook. Actually, I haven't even done it with my MacBook. My MacBook Pro, I didn't transfer everything over, but I only did it with a phone. Oh, this is so much easier. This makes the setting up process just that little bit easier because I didn't actually have to do everything manually because it's just going from this iPad to the other. What's this? Set up new iPad. Yeah, set up for me. The screen is so much bigger. I love that. Touch ID. Let's do it. Let's set it up because you have Touch ID at the top. Oh my god, I'll set it up later. Yeah, transfer all the data. Terms and conditions, agree. Okay, so now my iPad is transferring the data from my old iPad to the new one. So while that's doing that, I'm going to show you what else is in the box in case you have no idea too. Get this huge pamphlet with some information inside. Do you get any Apple stickers? I wonder if you do. Yes, oh my god, they're huge. Whoa, these are massive. I can't tell if the actual stickers are massive or just the sheet, because the sheet's massive, but yeah, it's big Apple stickers. But anyways, who even really uses the stickers? Let me know in the comments if you've ever used an Apple sticker. I actually have used one. I put it on this like case that I had my earphones in. But anyways, and you get like some warranty information, I think, and some welcome to iPad basic use, as if you've never known what an iPad is, just like how to use it. And yeah, you also get a little charging brick, which is 20 watts, and USB-C. You also get this really nice braided cable. Wow, I've never seen a braided Apple cable. This is USB-C to USB-C. I won't be opening this out yet until later on because my MacBook is USB-C, so I'll just use that and it'll charge it faster. So I'll just be using that. And yeah, that's all the things that is in the box. So I'm gonna put this away. And then I'll unbox my brand new case that I got from Amazon. So let's open it up. It's literally almost identical to my 6th generation iPad case. It also has a little slot to put, actually no, it's on this side, to put the Apple Pencil. And here it is, just a clear window, just so I can see my nice, cool color. This is the case of my 6th gen iPad. Yeah, it has a lot of cat fur on it. That's what happens when you have a cat. But yeah, that's really much it. Oh, I just realized the Apple Pencil thing is on this side versus this side. But anyways, let's peel off the satisfying. Oh my god, that was really hard to get off. I'm not even kidding. I was like struggling. Oh my god, oh, that's somewhere else. Let's peel off the back side. Let's put in, of course I got a little bit of cat fur on it, so just ignore that. And just, let me put my iPad in. Oh, nice. So it's nice and snug in there. And close it up nicely. Look how nice and like slim this is. Cut out so I can unlock my iPad. And little speakers. Nice, I love this. Love it so much. The screen's so much bigger. I love that. Let's play with the camera because I know this is like a better camera. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. This is gonna be so hard to like record. I can just easily press this and like zoom in 2 times. How much? Okay, I can only zoom in up to 5 times. It's just like one little camera. But one thing I really like about this one is that you can have this ultra wide selfie camera. Like, look how much wider it will get. What? Look how wide this camera is. You can see my entire room. Like, what the hell? This is literally the size of my room. Like, they really need to add this ultra wide selfie camera on like the iPhones, because my phone, as you can see, the camera, I have 3 cameras. This one right here is the ultra wide lens, but they don't have that on the selfie lens. So they really need to do this with like the actual cameras, because this is so cool. Look at this. Oh my god. You can film 4K 60 frames per second on an iPad. Imagine trying to like film a vlog on an iPad. Oh my god, should I do that? Like, should I do like a vlog on an iPad one day? I really should. I never film in 4K by the way, but you can if you want to. So it's been just over a week since unboxing my brand new iPad, so let's do a bit of a review, talk about all the cool new features, compare it to my iPad 6th generation, and then later on I'll do a bit of a camera test on both, which is not necessary, but I just want to do one anyways. Let's quickly talk about the tech specs on this iPad in case you were curious. This is the 2022 iPad 10th generation, the budget model. It has a 10.9 inch liquid retina display. I got it in the color blue. You can also get it in silver, yellow, and pink. This has the A14 Bionic chip, which has a 6-core CPU, 4-core GPU, and 16-core neural engine. This one is 64 gigabytes, but you can also get it in 256 gigabytes. I looked on JB Hi-Fi's website, which sometimes they have like deals, and they had this one for $517. That's like $82 savings from the current price and $232 from the original price. Okay, so let's compare the iPad 10th generation to the iPad 6th generation and see all the differences. Starting off with the obvious one is that now there is no home button and it is a bigger screen. as you can see. It does have the modern design of the iPad Airs and the iPad Pros, so it does feel like you have the newest, latest and greatest without actually spending all the money on the latest and greatest. It does have a 1.2 inch bigger screen comparing it to this one. You can also now tap the screen to wake the device instead of pressing any of the buttons. You do have the Touch ID sensor at the top with the lock button, so you can just press the button and unlock it at the same time, versus this one you would have to press the home button and I guess do the same thing as well, which doesn't really make much of a difference, to be honest. It now has landscape stereo speakers, so you can see speakers on the top side and on the bottom side, versus this one only had it on the bottom side. The selfie camera is now moved into the landscape position, as most people do hold their iPads in landscape than portrait, so it does make more sense to have the camera to be at the top here versus on the side, which is where this one is. The screen is now in True Tone. My iPad 6th generation did not have True Tone display, and also USB-C is obviously another one, versus the Lightning charger. It does make it hard to charge and pair your Apple Pencil if you have the 1st generation Apple Pencil, because this one is a Lightning connector, so you can't really charge it in there the same way. You have to buy this little adapter thing so that you can plug the charger thing in here and then charge in there. It's like a whole mess, and I haven't bought that yet, so I haven't actually been able to use this. So I had to resort to using my old fake Apple Pencil that I got before I ended up buying a real one for my old iPad. I got this in like 2021 from Amazon. It was like 40 bucks. Has a little button, but it does magnetically stick to the top, which is quite fun. And the only two things that are exactly the same is the screen brightness, and the battery life is exactly the same. I was hoping that the battery life would be a little bit of an upgrade, but unfortunately looking at the Apple website, it's exactly the same. But it is a brand new battery because I'm getting a brand new iPad, so it does feel a lot faster and lasts longer and charges quicker, which is nice. So now let's talk about the camera quality from my 10th generation to my 6th generation. I know this is probably like the stupidest thing I'm going to be talking about, because who really cares about the camera quality on an iPad, more specifically the budget model iPad. If anyone was curious about the iPad camera quality difference, I will put on the side of my screen all the differences from the 10th generation to the 6th generation, all the noticeable features. But I want to show you some of the photos that I've taken and videos, and I'll do a little comparison. This is a photo I took of my bedroom window, exactly from where I'm sitting actually, versus the photo I took of my 10th generation. The quality is a lot better, it's a lot more brighter, it's a lot more clearer. Then also you have a little sliding toggle, so you can like easily zoom in up to 5 times zoomed in on both. So this is 5 times zoomed in on the 6th generation versus the 10th generation. And then I tried taking a selfie with just the same lighting, and the selfie camera on my 6th generation iPad is 1.2 megapixels, that's like so bad, versus 12 megapixels on the selfie camera. Plus it does have an ultra wide camera now, which is really cool and really fun to play around with. But anyways, this is the photo I took on my 6th generation iPad versus my 12th generation. Obviously there is a clear winner. This is amazingly better, plus the ultra wide lens, you get a slightly wider shot as well. And then I took a selfie because obviously I had to take a photo of a person. This is a selfie taken on the selfie camera on the 6th generation versus the 10th generation, an obvious difference. And on the front camera, the 8 megapixels versus the 12 megapixels, the quality is just insanely good. And I did a little bit of a video recording, so I filmed both shots in 1080p 30 frames per second, just so that you can kind of see the difference in the quality versus like the lighting, the shadows. And yeah, pretty good honestly. I feel like it has a little bit of stabilization on the camera, focuses quicker, adjusts to the lighting quicker. If you have the iPad 10th generation, or you're planning on getting it, or you have any other model iPad, let me know which one you have and what color you got it in the comment section down below. I'd love to know which one you have. And if you like this video, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe. It would really help my channel out. Follow me on Instagram and support me on Patreon, as it does help support my small channel. Make sure to watch any of my other Apple unboxing and review videos. I'll have them linked in the description down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video.